Hello everyone, I am Devaranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about why my hotspot is not working. First of all, go to settings, then click on portable hotspot. Then click on one-time data limit and disable it. Now go back and put your phone in airplane mode. Wait for 5 minutes and disable it. That's all. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.